Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Kampo yang ke Sarkar Jelau ba Lahkmen Rymbui habakren bikinong thok khubor Hadien ke Jingïakynduh ya kinong yalam Sengbhalang ulong baki seng bapher ki kwa Jingïakynduh ya badiau menteri rangba ban pinkan mau yaki hakabaya dei bat ki mat ki baki judawana ka por shakapor kum ka ILP ka jing penrung ya khtien khasi kayo kam yo jam bat ki wei ula benrap bakini ki dei ki mat ki ba ki kren bat na kalyang ka jong ula persyang men pensngo thu yaki handai na kalyang ki seng ki lapan pau bakin yai beteng ye ka jingkwa ka jong ki.
You could tell us your meeting with the pressure groups.
Actually, they want to meet the chief minister or the chief minister to remind about the issue which they have raised from time to time. So that is the only thing which is the issue related to ILP, related to Khasi language, issue regarding to unemployment, and so on and so forth. So this issue they have raised. So I have tried to explain whatever I can, but they also told that they will continue with their expressing their desire that this thing should happen. I told that within the ambit of the law, there's nobody but the district administration will take a call if there is the breach of the law.
So, is it not violation of 144 CRPC today? Like so many gathered.
They come and meet me.
Okay.